to Red Ted Art. I've had so many requests for some more paper butterflies. So here we have another paper origami butterfly. Now do check out the other patterns that we've got already in the iCards and down below. They're really popular and they're really easy to make, and hopefully you'll like today's pattern as well. So come on then, let's take a look and see how they're made. So take your square sheet of origami paper, it doesn't matter what size, but this one is 15 by 15 centimeters, and you begin your craft by making it into the basic shapes of a cootie catcher. So bring the bottom line and line it up with the top. Open up, turn, bring it up again. If at any time you need to pause this video for a step, please do. It really helps to pause and do the steps at your own pace. Bring the corner in. And repeat. Flip it over, bring this corner back into the center. So this is your basic cootie catcher folds that I think the majority of you know how to make already. Make sure all your creases are nice and neat. Then you open it all up and flip it around. So you've got that central line and here and here. Now you only use this line here, you only fold over 1/4 and you fold over 1/4. And if you've got all the lines in place already, that should be quite easy. Now this is probably the only tricky bit, and I know you can do this. So you need to open this up. You see this line here? So you push along this diagonal to fold it down, and you repeat on this side. There's a diagonal here, you want this one, you push along it and you bring the other, this sheet of, like there's two triangles, one triangle here, one triangle here, and you want them to sit on top of each other. So if you've got those, all you have to do now is bring this and flap it down. Okay, I'll show you again on the other side. Once you get the hang of it, it's quite easy. So you've got a triangle here, a triangle here. They need to sit on top of each other. So I'm going to take this line and I'm going to push the top triangle onto the bottom one. And I'm going to repeat the same on this side. If your creases are neat, it should be quite easy. So then just neaten those creases and then you push that down. If you need to rewind the video and take a look at that step again. Now you fold it like this. You take one flap, and here's a straight line, and you fold it down. Take the other flap down. Now you're just going to shape the wings a little bit. So I'm going to do from the top corner here to about down here. Little flap. This is just shaping the wing. You can leave it if you want, but it's nicer from up here. Okay, now you bring it together. You're almost done. You're going to create a little fold from up here to about here. Make this as strong as you can. Hold it, open up, and there you have your very own butterfly. Just neaten your creases, and that's it. That is how quick and easy it is to do a butterfly. Now remember, if any of those steps were too quick, just rewind, pause the video and try again. Also take a look at the other 2 butterflies we've got. There's a really easy concertina butterfly that we love, and there's also another origami butterfly which is a slightly different pattern but also really lovely. And of course we'd like you to keep watching, keep making, share, like, comment, all those kind of things, and of course we'd love to see you again soon. Take care, bye.